Hi guys, good afternoon. So this is Arlene from the Philippines, and as you can see, I'm outside today because I'm checking a 7,500 square meter mango farm here located in San Juan, Batangas, Philippines. This property is ideal because it has a clean title, and if you are looking for poultry or piggery zoning in this area, actually this is zoning. It has zoning for this. So but before I forget, I want to thank all my subscribers for continuously supporting my channel. Thank you so much guys. Or your like, subscription, sharing, and commenting really help fund for my scholarship program for indigent high school and college students. So thank you so much. So let's go back to the property. So this property is 7,500 square meter, clean titled with 80 mango trees. It's 5 kilometers away from San Juan town proper, 1 hour away from Lipa City, and between 2.5 to 3 hours away from Metro Manila. So let's check the property, okay? Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the uncemented barangay road. Actually, it's actually quite wide. If I'm not mistaken, it's between 5 to 6 meter wide. And this area is actually zoning for piggery and poultry. So yeah, you can expect that you will hear some pig noises, something like that, because that is how the area is being used. Okay, so I'm gonna check now 7,500 square meter property, and what's good about this property is that it has clean title, and all around the property is actually completely fenced. So this is the property. So as you can see over here, that is the beginning of the property, and all the way down actually it's with this wall with the I think the cyclone wire on it. So later I gonna go inside and check it. And the frontage of this property is 83 meter long. So that's very long, and actually it's very good. So we're gonna walk along the property, and then you can see actually that it's very nice. So this property has 80 mango trees. Unfortunately, during the last season there was a typhoon and all the fruits were hit. So they were not able to make money out of it or profit out of it. So there you go, Kuya is waiting. And my niece, she was the one who was measuring the frontage of the property. So let's go and look at the end first. So what I really like about this property, if I haven't mentioned already, is you got the mountain view. So as you know guys, I'm very much into mountain views, right? So this is the end of the property. So over here, unfortunately, there's some vines on it. So 83 meter long. I'm gonna pull back. That way you can see. So 83 meter long, and on the side actually you can see it, it's completely fenced, right? There you go. You can see it's combination of hollow blocks, concrete post, and cyclone wire. And you can see the nicely shaped mango trees. I love mangoes, you know. I can eat green mangoes, ripe mangoes, mango juice, mango smoothie, and everything. So you can imagine that it's going deeper on that side. So later I'm gonna walk around the property and you can see everything. So for now I'm gonna show you around the area. So that's how it looks like. It's actually 4:30 in the afternoon, and that is the mountain view, guys. And these are all mango farms, but it's being zoned as poultry and piggery area. Okay, so let's go back. Very nice. And actually from that side of the wall up to here, it's 8 meter wide. And I very much like to say thank you to the seller of this property. because I was informed by Kuya Rod that she is a subscriber. So thank you so much, ma'am. I really appreciate it. So water and electricity is already available in this mango farm. And of course, we have converged internet connection here. So in that way, you will all be connected. So let's go. Kuya, let's go muna to this side. Dito sa kabila. So we see everything. Okay. Oh, that's the toilet. Okay, let's go. Yes, I wanna see everything, Kuya. So everybody will see how nice this property is. I think that's one of the beauty of the mango farm. There are not so many grasses in this area, okay? So this, I've noticed that they are missing 2 panels of this cyclone wire. So 1 and 2 and everything. Look, that is very strong and sturdy, very nice. So they really did a very good job of fencing this property, very nice. And this is the toilet. So we have a toilet here for the guest. Wow, that's quite modern. So this is the toilet. Wait, let me take a picture of that. Okay guys, so let's take a closer look at this toilet. Wow. Yeah, that's very nice. So that is the toilet. And this is the shower. Wow, shower in the bukid. That's very nice. And of course, aside from the mango tree here, we have here duhat or the black plum. I don't know the English word. I always forget it. Sorry guys. Please, English Police Patrol, don't be mad at me. So let's go. See? Again, another duhat or black plum, something like that. Oh wow, look, ito kuya, may bunga. Very nice. Look guys, we found some. Can we eat this? Pwede ba bang kainin to?
Yung black na black po.
Mapait?
Dilaw po siya.
Oh, okay. Sorry guys, it's still not completely ripe. Oh yeah, kinakalunggo. Very nice. So, wow, look guys. It's completely fenced, right? And here, yeah, kuya, they are still missing some of the cyclone wire. So this portion, they are missing some of the portion of cyclone wire. And we have here, native guava tree. Kulang pa yung kanyang cyclone wire doon. Hindi na natapos, no? Wow, I like this. You know, look at the duha tree. They are also big. Nice, nice, nice. So the okay, the terrain of this property is actually flat. So if you are very much interested on having a mango farm with complete fence, only you have to put a few, not few actually, several of the cyclone wires. But still, you know, you got 80 mango trees. That is perfect guys. Look how good they did it, you know. You see, that one is that one, okay. There you have this what is the English word for that? Biga. And then you have several layer of hollow blocks, and supposedly you should put the cyclone wire in here. Very nice kuya, ang galing ha. So I think if you will buy this property, then please continue it, because yeah, this property is already very good. Because to make it, to have this fence completely, now I was told by Kuya Ro that they spent 2 million for building this whole thing. So yeah, then you need to invest like 300,000 more. Very nice kuya, ang ganda. And kuya, ano yun?
Mangga.
No, yan. Ano yan?
Piggery.
Oh, piggery. Ilang ano stall yan?
Nag-try yung may-ari. Alam,
Hindi naging successful.
hindi. Dahil iniutap lang nung pumangkin. Hindi naman nakasugunan ng hukay din.
Okay. Yeah, if you wanna do things right, you have to do it yourself. That is what I've learned all over the years. So we have here a vacant piggery stall. So like if you have 3 mothers or sow, then you can have it. Very nice. So what I learned over the years, if you wanna have something, then do it by yourself, because yeah.
Yan ang hanggang doon ang bakit eh.
Then this is the water tank. Tama kuya?
Opo.
Then they have their own water. Oh, look, this is star apple or kaimito. Very nice. And okay, bigger one. Wow, anong kulay nito kuya?
Kay nito yan.
Anong kulay ng kaimito niya?
Violet.
Purple. Okay, nice.
At saka may isang malaking mangga dyan na yung separate na mangga division dyan.
Okay, so here we have the water tank. You can see it's by electricity, guys. Okay, so guys, remember that is the piggery, that is the water tank, and we have a very big nice mango tree over there, and it's completely fenced. Here you are just missing some cyclone wires. And wow, okay, this is a very big mango tree by the border. Wow, anong puno to kayo? Kinalabaw? Wow, okay. It's kinalabaw. I don't know the English word for that, sorry guys. And here, they still have the fence here because there's a small creek over here. But there's only water when it's raining, something like that. So something. And that is already the neighbor, di ba? Pero wall nyo pa rin yun. That's still part of the property, right? Yeah. So you can see that wall, that's still part of the property. So here, actually, I think if you wanna be safe, you have to do something about here. Just continue that one. Make another layer of cyclone wire. You have a lot of bamboo trees. I love bamboo trees. Very nice. Very nice. And the terrain of the property is generally flat. There are no slopes or something like that. And they have some chickens, most probably from the neighbor. So you can see it's all this side of, actually the border along the neighbor is completely with wall and cyclone wire. So that's why it's fantastic. So over there, so you have there a cat actually. And here we go. Very nice. Oh, if you can see this with your own eyes, you will fall in love with this property, guys. I love it. And I love that they have 80 mango trees, a lot of duhat, but still I cannot eat. Let me try one. Very nice. Eto, matamis na. May baka ba dito?
Meron po isa.
Okay, they have a cow here. So guys, look. So you have a corner here. So means that the shape of the property is still a rectangle, but with a curve here. So ano tawag doon? It's just like letter L. Yeah, Aryan said it's letter L. So from that point, and still, like if I'm not mistaken, 12 to 15 meter going down there with the duha tree again. And it's here again, completely fenced with wall and cyclone wire. Very nice, guys. And if you are from Ilocos, Ilocano, you for sure will love this. These are called pasaw. There are leaves and then you can eat them. Very nice. So you see, that is the side. It's completely lined with wall and cyclone wire together, and this is the area where you can see the neighbors, and we are getting close to the border by the road. So remember, this is where I started the video. Okay, yep, going straight over here. Very nice, kuya. Ang ganda. And that is a small hut by the relative living over there. This area is fantastic. Stop barking, you little dog. Kuya, anong laman itong ano? What's inside? They have a small container. Okay pa yung container na yan?
Yan yung, nung nagpapagawa ko rito, istakan ko ng semento.
Okay, storage area. Can still use it, right? Very nice. I love this property. So, okay guys, that is our short tour of the 7,500 square meter clean title located here in San Juan, Batangas, Philippines. And if you are interested in this property, you can call me, Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram on my numbers 0917-621-4090 or 0998-574-7194. You can also check my Facebook page at Arlene Libandovsky. And you can send email at arlene@libandovsky@gmail.com. So guys, the price of this property is 7.5 million, including the transfer of title into your name. So you can either opt, if you don't want to have that we transfer the title into your name, that will be 7 million. Okay, still negotiable. So thank you so much guys. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.